Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. If you are thinking about closing your Udemy account, then this video is for you. Whether you are done with online courses or just want a fresh start, first of all, open up your Udemy application on your smartphone and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage or the featured page, click on Account at the bottom right corner. Once you select Account, go ahead and scroll down, and under Account Settings, you will see a Close Account button which you should press on. Once you get to this Close Accounts tab, scroll all the way down and go through the information first. If you close your account, you will be unsubscribed from all of your courses and you will lose access to your account and its data associated with the account forever. Click on the Close Account button if you are sure you'd like to delete your account, and note that if you want to reinstate your account after submitting a deletion request, you will have 14 days grace period to reach out to the Udemy support to cancel the request. So if you're sure you'd like to delete the account, click on Close Account, enter the 6-digit verification code that you received via email, go open up your email inbox and open the email from Udemy. You'll see a code in it, copy the code, paste it inside the Udemy app, and then click on the Close Account button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, your account will be scheduled to closure, and that's how your account will be closed successfully. Next time, if you ever want to use Udemy again, you'll need to create a new account from the scratch. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.